The fun thing is discovering and researching the actual answer, because you can't just Google your way like, oh, what is a BCM? And then you get some images results, because it's so much more, it's so much detailed and so much in-depth. I chose my master in risk and resilience here because my interest with risks concerning cybersecurity, this was really the best place.
Yeah, I think for me, USW had quite some accolades in cybersecurity. They've been named Cyber University of the Year a couple of times, and also it's like the home of National Cybersecurity Academy. I found protecting critical national infrastructure really interesting because it was very, very tasking for me. It was something way out of my comfort zone that I hadn't done before.
Yeah, I agree. The PLC was really cool and really fun to work on, especially with Wireshark. It seems to be the most interesting assignment for me so far. We actually work quite a lot on real-world scenarios because our professor, she works out in the field and she takes everything into the classroom and just shares with us her experiences.
And I think our assessments also try to simulate real-world scenarios. So it kind of keeps us in touch with what we are to expect when we come out of here.